Assalamualaikum. My name is Humairoh binti Muhamad Suffian from Khazin. Here I want to explain about blood circulation and effect of tar and nicotine to our blood circulation and respiratory system. Inhaled air will enter the air passage from the nostril into the lung and alveolus. At alveolus, the oxygen from inhaled air will diffuse into the wall of alveolus capillary and into the blood. It happens due to blood entered from higher concentration to low concentration of oxygen. When oxygen combined with hemoglobin, it will form oxyhemoglobin, that is known as oxygenated blood. It will pump from the lungs into the heart and all the parts of the body. The oxygenated blood will enter from pulmonary vein into the left atrium, flows through bicuspid valve, left ventricle, and will be forced to flow out into the aorta through symbolic valve. The oxygenated blood will be transported to all the parts of the body. When the oxygenated blood reaches the body cell that has a low concentration of oxygen, it will decompose itself to release oxygen molecules and it will change back into hemoglobin. The body cell that receives the diffused oxygen, it will oxidize glucose molecules into the carbon dioxide, water and energy, or in another word, we call it as deoxygenated blood. The deoxygenated blood will enter from right atrium through vena cava, flow through tricuspid valve, right ventricle, symbolic valve, and be sent to the pulmonary artery. That's all for the blood flow. Now I will explain about how tar and nicotine affect our blood circulation and respiratory system. Tar and nicotine, as we know, is a harmful substance that can be found in cigarette. Tar is a sticky brown substance that stains smoker's tea and fingers yellow-brown. Tar will damage our lungs by narrowing the bronchioles that absorb oxygen and also will damage the cilia that help protect our lungs from dirt and infection. While nicotine is an addictive chemical compound found in tobacco tree, it causes our blood vessel to constrict and narrow. That will limit the amount of blood that flows to our organ. The constant constriction results in blood vessels that are stiff and less elastic. Contracted blood vessels decrease the amount of oxygen that nutrients our cells receive.